Ever since the all-new Thar has come in my life, I have changed, and for good. Seeking adventure, has become a habit of sorts. Even when I'm not driving this, I'm always thinking about new challenges and exploring the impossible. So much so that I have taken up trekking. While the all-new Thar is there as my companion for all my trips, I want to have an upper hand when things get extreme. So today, I'm going to meet someone who's going to help me pick out all those accessories which are going to help take my hobby to new heights. Literally. Let's go.
What took you so long?
Hello, Hari. How are you? Let me just one thing. Hello, everyone. Meet five-time Indian Rally champion and 4x4 guru, the one and only Mr. Hari Singh.
I think you love recording yourself. I think you should get one of these.
Well, thanks, Hari. I will hang on to this.
So I hear you want to take the all-new Thar for all your trekking trips.
Yes. And I thought some accessories can give me an edge. But I'm a bit overwhelmed by the choices.
Don't worry, they all have specific uses. So the mother of all gadgets for off-roading is the winch. It's something which is going to get you out of places where you can't even imagine. So along with the winch, you need a few accessories and few safety things. So the first thing we do is get your gloves on. And safety is extremely important. I'll pre-spool the winch. With that, I don't need to put the cable in. It just comes out pretty freely. So let's get this strap around this boulder. We add the D-shackle to the strap. Then comes the winch cable. Braking. This is what's going to keep it down. Okay. Otherwise, it's going to break and come like a whip. We connect our cable. The driver needs to get back into the car to start the car because the winch is going to take a lot of juice out of the battery.
Okay.
So we have to make sure that the engine is running.
Almost there. Wow. You've done it. So, Hari, how much weight can it pull?
4.5 tons. That's more than enough that you'll ever need, I think. Unless you're going to go pull a herd of elephants.
Oh. What if I'm stuck in a way where I cannot use the winch? What then?
So Manoj, here's another weapon for in your arsenal, the Bush Ranger X-Trax. Situation like this right now, where we're not getting any forward movement and you don't have any place to put the winch to get you out. So there's basically just heavy rubber pieces with a lot of grippy edges. It's a fantastic option where you can't winch out, where you don't have access to anything where you can anchor yourself in. So you just spread these mats out in front of the wheels on both sides. Push yourself through, just accelerate, and hopefully you're out. So Manoj, here we have something called a high lift jack, which is actually going to do the winching instead of your electric winch. Now sometimes you don't have electric winch, so you can put the high lift jack to a good use. When you go off-roading, you got to protect the environment. We have a tree protector here, the strap there, and we've connected the high lift jack between the strap, which is, you'll put it at the lowest part of the tree. That's where you get the maximum strength from the tree. If you put it a little higher, your chances of dropping the tree are good. But this is manual stuff. You've got to actually work hard.
Manually
with it, and you notice the car coming towards you.
Oh yes, it's moving.
And that, my friend, is how you winch without a winch. So Manoj, we have another gadget here, which is the Bush Ranger exhaust jack. When you go off-roading and really get stuck, or you want to change a wheel. So this is an inflatable jack. So it fills up with the help of the exhaust. Put the jack, the balloon, put it below the car at a suitable place, depending on rear, front, or if you want both your side wheels lifted, depending on where you can get access to it.
Okay.
So you connect that, put this into the exhaust, start the car, and it will inflate slowly and just lift the jack. So another arsenal that you need in your off-roading kit is a tire puncture repair kit. The tires are the most exposed elements of your car, and they go through a lot of rough terrain, sharp objects, rocks.
Hari, you sorted me out. Looks like I'm ready to take my Thar to impossible places.
You've got most of the accessories, but don't you want to enjoy the experience once you're there?
Wait, what? There's more to it. Awesome.
So the last time I showed you some accessories that'll make sure nothing will stop you from reaching your goal. But say you've reached your camp spot and you want to unwind before you start your trek. So a very handy pull-out tray in the Thar as well for your private lounge out in the wild.
And nothing better than self-cooked food.
Yeah, hot food in a place like this, wow. If you have one of these RV air compressors, not only can you fill air into your tires as well as the inflatable bed.
Wow.
So I've got something really cool to show you, something real cozy, man.
A room and a lounge in the middle of nowhere, Hari. Wow. It feels just like home. And I don't know, it can get any better than this. You're amazing.
Well, it seems you're all set to explore the impossible now.
Oh yes, I am. And this calls for a tour.